Need a Visa card but don't have a bank account in Jamaica? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get one, step by step, fast, simple, and completely digital. Step 1. Download the Flash Rewards and Payments app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. This wallet allows you to hold funds, earn rewards, and most importantly, fund your Visa card using Bitcoin Lightning. Step 2. Add money to your Flash account. You can do this through various methods like Bitcoin Lightning or other supported top-up options. Contact app support if you need help. Step 3. Go to paywithmoon.com and sign up. This platform lets you generate a prepaid Visa card, which you'll fund with your Flash balance. Step 4. Enter the amount of funds you want to add to the card and select Bitcoin as the payment method. Click Continue. Step 5. Choose Lightning and scan the QR code with your Flash app. That's it. You now have a working Visa card without ever stepping into a bank. Now you can transfer funds from Flash, instantly load your Visa and start shopping online. So that's how to get a Visa card in Jamaica without a bank account. Download Flash, fund it, create a Pay with Moon account, and load up your Visa. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.